Good morning, students of class 7th. Today is part 12. Our subject is maths. Okay. So today's topic is distributive property for multiplication over addition or subtraction. Okay. In today's class, I tell you about the distributive property. What is the distributive property and how we use this property? Student, your practice perfect exercise 1.3 depends on this exercise. Okay, practice perfect exercise 1.3. Okay, practice perfect exercise 1.3 question number second is depends on this topic. Okay, this topic is depends on exercise practice perfect 1.3 question number second. Okay, so I tell you about the distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Okay, so students, look carefully what I am doing here and why I write here two properties of distributive. Okay, there are two properties of distributive. Okay, so this one is A into B plus A into C. Okay, then A into B minus A into C. Students, always remember the properties of distributive property, associativity property, closure property. Always remember the rules of the definitions of these property, how we can solve this type of questions. Okay, so first of all I tell you about this one property. Okay, additions 4. Okay, then I will tell you about the subtraction also. So students, look carefully that how the questions will be comes here. That let example. Let here anything, because our exercise depends on integers, so we use minus plus. Okay, so A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, C is equals to minus 2. Okay, I give minus plus both of example for your clearness. Okay, so first of all I take here LHS side. Then here I write here RHS side also. Students, very easy methods these are. If the LHS and RHS are equals to, then we say that both are equal, so the distributive property for multiplication over addition subtraction will be for addition will be satisfied. Okay, so here I take here the A for 3, B for 4, and I late here A, B, C. Okay, then I put the values on this LHS side. Okay, so here 3 into 4 plus minus 2. Okay, students, always remember that what I am writing here. Okay, because if you have remember, then if you practice more and more time, then you will be perfect. Okay, then 3. First of all, I tell you in the on these questions that first of all we do brackets, then we multiply, then we have any divide also, we do divide, then multiply, then plus, then minus. Okay, students, so first of all there are brackets, so we solve the brackets. First of all, short brackets here, plus minus becomes minus, then here 3 into 4 minus 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, it will be 6. Then here LHS side, A into B, and B, A is equals to 3 into 4 and plus 3 into minus 2. Students, look carefully. 3 into 4 becomes 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Okay, then here plus 3. Here the sign of multiply, so we can do here multiply easily. 6 minus 6. Okay, and then we plus minus minus, then here becomes 6. Okay, there 6 and there is also 6, so we say that the additions of distributive property will be satisfied. Okay, additions on the distributive property for multiplication will be satisfied. Okay students, these type of questions are in your exercise on your practice perfect 1.3 question number 2. These are questions are given in your practice perfect exercise 1.3. You can solve these questions also according this. Okay students, so remember these method only and do your perfect. First of all, remember student that you do your brackets. First of all, solve the brackets, then then if we have divide, then फिर multiply, then फिर plus, then फिर minus. Okay, so we can solve the for the minor things. Okay, so please students remember that first of all we solve bracket, then if we have divide, so we solve divide. If you have multiply, then we have solve multiply, then फिर addition, then फिर subtraction. Okay, then I will give you example of this one also. So here I change the digit minus. Okay, 3 4, b is equals to 4, c is equals to, sign is minus. Okay, so here I will rub. Then look students, this one example of subtraction, a into b minus c, a into b minus c, 3 into 4 minus 2. First of all we solve the brackets. Okay, the smaller bracket, minus minus plus, then 3 into 6 is equals to 18. Okay, 3 into 6 is equals to 18. Students look carefully, minus minus becomes plus. Okay, then and LHS side here becomes minus. Okay, okay, a into b minus a into c, 3 into 4 minus 3 into minus 2, 12 minus 6. Students look carefully, minus minus become plus, so here answer is 18. Students look carefully that what I am writing here, 12, 3 into 4 12, and 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Okay, so we can use here minus minus becomes plus, then 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. So we say that subtraction of the distributive property for multiplication will be satisfied, because here is also 18 and here is also 18. So we say that LHS and RHS sides are equal. Okay students, so very simple questions here. We can use this type of distributive property for multiplication over addition or subtraction will be satisfied. Students, you have to understood this type of question. First of all, remember only one thing only. First of all, if we solve this type of questions, first of all solve brackets, then addition, then brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, if we have any brackets, then first of all solve the brackets, not any other numbers. Okay, so students, you see that how we solve these type of questions. Practice at home more and more times, you will be perfect in these type of questions. Okay, so I give you some homework according this topic. You always be remember students, these property definitions of these you can write in your fair notebook. Okay, then your today's homework is, this is in your fair notebook. You must be write in your fair notebook of rules of these, what is the distributive property in your notebook. This is your also a homework. Write this in your notebook and solve question two of practice perfect exercise 1.3 in your fair note, question second in your fair notebook. Okay students, this is also your homework. Solve question 2 of practice perfect exercise 1.3 in your fair notebook. This is exercise. Okay, exercise. Okay students, in your fair notebook, first of all solve in your rough notebook, then in your fair notebook. Okay student, this is your today's homework. This may be written in your fair notebook also. Okay, thank you.
For more updates, search on YouTube RP Dular Section Session. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon.